Hello, everyone. While watching TV, there are always commercials on that don't matter, and you just want to fast forward or just don't want to listen to. But there's one on there that is as true as can be and needs more action done to help prevent texting and driving. People can read one message and bam, they end up crashing or running off the road. That's a huge problem, and there needs to be something to prevent this. People listen, they see all the YouTube videos. You could go to AT&T.com and also see them there. You can also see them on websites or on programs. You can see signs everywhere. But no one thinks this stuff can happen to them. In reality, it can. The solution to this problem is make the laws harsher, lead by example, and become informed and active. As of right now, there is no national ban on texting and driving, but there are some states that have banned texting or even just using the phone in general. 47 states are included in this. DC, Puerto Rico, U.S. Virgin Islands, and many more. Kentucky has banned texting and driving altogether. According to handsfreeinfo.com, for the first offense in Kentucky is $25 if caught, plus court fees. Then if you get caught again, it is $50 plus court fees. Using a cell phone at under the age of 18 is prohibited in the state of Kentucky. And to prevent it, and to them, after you get caught, the first time is $25 plus the court fees. The second time is $50 plus the court fees. After you pay those fees off, you have an additional of 180 days to apply for your regular license if you just have your permit. Laws are not harsh enough. If it was me, I would sit there and I would have the laws moved up. $25 for the first offense plus court fees and $50 plus court fees. The second time, there needs to be jail time added because just money is money. They're going to just think of it like that. And if you say jail time, who wants to go to jail? People under the age of 18, if they get caught using their phone the first time, they should just have their license revoked altogether and not be able to get their license after 180 days and money. They should have to pay a fee and wait till they are 18 years old to actually get a full license. How people can lead by example of not texting and driving. People that are driving should not answer a text while driving. Example, with a group of people that are in the car with you and you get a text message, do not answer that text. It's showing an example. If people see you doing that, then they can see that they could do the same thing. Do not even answer it at a stoplight. That looks really bad too, and something could happen. Tell people how many lives they can save by waiting to answer that text message. If someone in the car that is driving and you're the passenger and you see them get a text message and about to read it, ask them if you may read the text message for them. They might let you. And if they want to respond, write the text message for them instead of them writing it back. Explain to your loved ones why it is such a bad idea to text and drive. By leading by example can lead to others following in the same footsteps as you did when you took the first steps in not texting and driving. To become informed and are active means to take action. Stand up for something that you believe in. People can also join No Text and Drive clubs. They're everywhere. Just look it up in your state, county, city. Then you can also spread the word. If we all stood up together and tried to make the laws more stricter in the states, the world, there would not be as many deaths as there are when it comes to car wrecks. On www.fcc.org says that people that are texting make crashing 23 times more worse than being distracted. If people just did their research, then they could be informed by doing this. They could help save lives of people you love, or even someone you just don't even know. A person's a person. If you know someone that's texting and driving, tell them some facts here and there. Maybe it could change their mind. The more people know the statistics and hear real life stories, can impact them and get them to stop texting and driving. Texting and driving is the wrong thing to do. It should be illegal in all 50 states. Texting and driving wrecks could be prevented if people if people stop doing it. It is also the same as drinking and driving, if not worse. It is important that the statistics are told to each person to help prevent this. With the help of people, the word could be spread, and we can make a difference in this situation. The solution to this problem is make the laws harsher, lead by example, and become